Hey everyone! If you've ever trained a machine learning model and it performed amazingly well on training data but failed miserably on new data, you've been a victim of overfitting. But don't worry, today I'll show you easy tricks to stop overfitting and build a model that actually works in the real world. Let's dive in! Alright, let's start with what is overfitting. Overfitting is when your model gets too good at memorizing the training data, but struggles with the new data. Imagine a student who memorizes past exams instead of actually understanding the subject. He'll ace the practice test but totally fail the real one. Now, the big question is how to detect overfitting. There are some clear warning signs that your model is overfitting. Let's break down the most common ones. First, training accuracy is high, test accuracy is low. Your model does great on training data, but struggles with unseen data. Second, weird learning curves. If training loss keeps dropping, but validation loss goes up, your model is memorizing instead of actually learning. Third, cross-validation fails. If your model performs well on some faults but fails on others, it's probably overfitting. Fourth, too much complexity. Deep trees, too many parameters, or high-degree polynomials can make your model overfit. Now, let's fix overfitting with easy tricks that will improve your machine learning model instantly. Trick number 1. Get more data. The more diverse your data, the better your model generalizes. Trick number 2. Use cross-validation. Always split your data to check performance across different samples. Trick number 3. Apply regularization L1 and L2. Regularization forces the model to keep only the most important patterns and ignore noise. Trick number 4. Prune decision trees. Deep trees overfit easily. Keep them simple. Trick number 5. Drop out for neural networks. Randomly drop some neurons to prevent over-reliance on specific feeders. Last trick, feeder selection and engineering. If you have too many useless feeders, remove them. Less is more. So there you have it. Overfitting is a common problem, but with the right tricks, you can fix it easily. Just remember, always validate your model, keep it simple, avoid overly complex models, and use regularization and feeder selection wisely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more machine learning tips. See you in the next video!